Hello everyone, welcome to another video. First of all, we will duplicate with Ctrl+J, after we will change the name of the layer. Zoom in. Select the pen tool and make a selection of the object. Just like I am making the selection with pen tool. You have to make the same selection. After select the curvature pen tool, then now curve the selection, follow the step. After right-click to make a selection, then OK. Click to add mask. We will create the AI label by opening the ideogram.ai website. You find the link in description. You also write the prompt yourself, but you will find my prompt in the description. Follow the step by step and click to generate button. And automatic create your design. By click on the image, we will click on 3 dots. Then after that you will download the image by clicking on the download button. Go to edit menu and click to open place embedded. After select the label image. Press hold the Alt key. Now change the blending mode, multiply. By right-clicking you will open on the blending option. Press hold the Alt key. Underlying layer moving slider. Follow the step. I will show you before and after. Then select the mask thumbnail, press hold the Ctrl with press the left mouse button. Create layer, press Ctrl+J. Again change the blending mode, color dodge. Go to image and adjustment, open the levels, Ctrl+L. Now follow the levels adjustment. Hit the OK. Opacity 80. Again check the before and after. Hope you liked this tutorial very much. Subscribe my channel and don't forget press the bell icon.